year. This is for grades 1, 2, and 3. It is the same schedule as last year. All of our class schedules are the same same as last school year. Special note here for parents of grade 1 and 2 students, your dismissal is at 11:30. And for grade 3 students, they are dismissed at 12:10. So please take a screenshot if that's something that if this information is important to you. For grades 4, 5, and 6, this is the schedule, same as last school year. Please know that we only go to BIS, face-to-face school, on Mondays to Thursday. Friday is enrichment activity day, or for some students who join the Friday extracurricular activities, or you have to prepare for a competition that you have volunteered to join, then you will be asked to go to school on Fridays. For grades 4 to 6, please be reminded that your dismissal on Thursdays is at 1:40 p.m. Here you go. Next, this is the grades 7 to 10 class schedule. I just noticed that all the parents I called to share, except for one, except for Ching Pertos, all the parents I called are parents of high school students. So this is the same as last school year. This is for grade 11. As you can see, they have to be in school for a longer period of time because, they're just doing more advanced stuff in school that it needs more time. And this is for grade 12. Senior high parents, please be reminded that this schedule might change in the second semester. And so, before I move forward to another topic, may I see, do any of the parents have any questions? You can raise your hand or turn on your microphone so you can ask some questions. Let me check the chat box if there are any questions. So far, no questions on the chat box and no hands are raised. And so this is what... Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Ma'am, late kasi kami. Bali, late kami. Late, kakapasok lang namin.
Yes.
Can you repeat that? Kaya yung sa grade 1?
Sa grade 1, sure. No problem po. Here you go. So, this is grade 1 po. Grades 1 and 2 dismissal is at 11:30. So this schedule po will start on Tuesday. Because on Monday, I will share the schedule with you later. So this is...
Tuesday papasok niya.
Monday po, may pasok na po. But this schedule will start on Tuesday.
Okay.
Opo. Kasi po on Monday, ano lang po tayo, mga socialization, homeroom time, opo. So, on Tuesday onwards, the dismissal is at 11:30.
Okay po.
Okay po. So, welcome. Do we have other questions? Go ahead.
How about ma'am yung mga books ko?
Yes, the books will be given to the students in school. We will distribute them as soon as they are available. On Monday, the students will receive their notebooks. Thank you for asking that question. And so, dear parents at home, please make sure when they get home to ask them to show you their notebooks and please help them label their notebooks with their names and their subjects just so we don't have to, lose them. Yan. So, opo. So, books and notebooks will be distributed in school.
Okay.
Miss Jo, what time is
Yes.
what is the schedule on Monday?
Monday. This is
For
the
grade six.
schedule on Monday.
Okay.
Please
Sige,
drop
sorry.
off your children. No, no problem. Yes. That
Okay.
is a great question. That is why it's here in the slide. So, 7:30 to 8:30, to 8 o'clock socialization. The kids love this part, right? They love seeing each other again. And then, we will be introducing the faculty for this school year during the flag ceremony. After the flag ceremony and welcome remarks. So it's a whole program. Everyone's excited. 8:30 to 10, advisors time. They're gonna be playing games. You know, in school, we love to do activities to get to know each other better. And there's no other better time to do that than the first day of classes. There's a 30-minute break, and then they will be discussing as one class and digesting the student handbook. And we will also be doing that today. On Monday and Monday only, they are all dismissed at 12.
Okay.
So the schedules that I showed previously, please follow that Tuesday onwards. Because on Monday, it will just be for special day, special schedule. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. So, we have our class advisors in the grade school department. Yeah. I will not say their names anymore because I know that you can all read. Okay, there. This is our junior high school advisors for this school year. And our senior high school advisors. They're all very much excited and ready to meet your children on Monday. And of course, we all look forward to a wonderful school year filled with grace and ease.